Ngavana wa kaunti Ilovi Johnson Sakaja eithiwa ngavana wa mbee kuvika mbee syikalo sya mbunge ya Senate kusungia makulyo yiulu wa utonyekanu wa kusikatiwa mavityo manene ma kuvuthiisya uthukumi wa mbunge. Ini kati wa matambya maingi ala nzama kauta sya mbunge ya Senate ivaniiye kumwosea Sakaja ta nzia ya kusyiiya kila syuweta ni kuvuthya na kimondo kila ngavana uwithitwe aitumia kukon'ya uthukumi wa mbunge kwa kuvuthiisya kuvika mbee syikalo sya mbunge ila wetwa nzamani kivathukan'yo kusungia makulyo Benjamin mwaka no gutolesya.
Ngavana Sakaja oyu ethinani munene Maseneta menda ozoe matambya mavyu akimiao no kana kunengana isomo kwa magavana onthe ala methitwe na mutuata wake wa kuvuthiisya uthukumi wa mbunge ya Senate kwisila komiti kivathukan'yo. Une seneta wa kaunti ya Ilovi Edwin Sifuna ayelesya uthatu wake kukon'ya mutuo wa ngavana syikaloni sya umuthi sya nzama ya wiki wa masavu kukon'ya mitumile ya mbesa sya county CPAC.
The last meeting we had at the energy committee was I think 2 weeks ago. They summoned him. He is supposed to appear before that committee tomorrow, and I am going to again face the spectre where he is not appearing. At the housing committee, where we are both members chair, regarding the urban upgrading program, we have the largest housing program in the country. Nairobi has the largest housing program where we are redeveloping 13 estates. He failed to appear 6 times until the chair of the committee had to fine him 500,000 shillings. He is the reason and the motivation why Senator Ososi brought the motion before the House to enhance that fine, because 500,000 to Governor Sakaja is nothing, and to most of his governors is nothing. That is why there was a motion before the House to even give committees of this House and the House itself powers to arrest these people. I was with my governor on Saturday at the consecration of the 2 auxiliary bishops for Nairobi. He didn't indicate to me anywhere that he was going to travel. I was seated right next to him. Mr. Chairman, this is an exceptional case, and I really would strongly agree with the suggestion that has been made that this is not a matter to be discussed in this committee anymore. Governor Sakaja has to be brought before the whole House to be discussed, because you will see this frustration run across all the other committees.
Sakaja na uloti ye kuvika mbee nzama kusungia makulyo yiulu wa mitumile ya mbesa sya Ilovi nthini wa miaka 3 mivityu ya serikali. Thiva livoti ya oyu ya mwiki wa masavu hati ya maseneta na makulyo kukon'ya vala silingi bilioni 76 siendete nthini wa miaka 3. Nzia imwe ila CPAC meutumia kumuvithia Sakaja ni vamwe na kuvata kaunti ya Ilovia kuma muvyano wa kinandu ngina ila uelesyo ukanenganwa kukon'ya mitumile ya ila inenganitwe oyu miakani 3 mivitu.
I think we need to do something drastic for people to begin to realize that this is not just a joke.
And I think if this trend continues, if it's not checked, maybe in the future, no governor is going to appear before us.
If somebody does not want to come and account for budget that they have been allocated, the best solution is to stop money going there. Immediately we resume on Tuesday, you must table your motion so that we can quickly pass and make a decision on it.
Whatever we have in the Powers and Privileges Act of summons and fines is just a slap on the wrist. People like Sakaja can pay 500,000 every week, maybe drawing it from parking fees of Nairobi. So we need to have much more stronger consequences.
We need to deal with that financial aspect of talking to or having a resolution that the control of budget does not release any more money to the Nairobi County government until they appear before this committee and account for what they have received already.
I have no problem as the Senator of Nairobi if the Senate resolved to stop money going to Nairobi. And nobody should argue that you're punishing the people of Nairobi, because nothing is happening even with the funds. And he likes to claim that things are working in Nairobi. But if you ask anyone, just name one thing that is working in Nairobi, nobody can tell you. If you look at the schedule of the projects that are stalled in Nairobi, Mr. Chairman, it is crazy. And yet we receive the highest amount of money. If I was Pontius Pilate chairman, I want to hand over my governor to you for hanging, because I am unable to do anything else. I mean, what am I supposed to do as a senator? Please, take this governor and do with him as you will please. I have washed my hands.
Katua maofisa hangi ma serikali amuvaniiye kuvika mbee nzama ya CPAC ni maofisa nene nthini wa muvya kukutana na ulusani EACC.
Yes, they'll appear before this committee. We have so many things of implementation, matters of implementation, that are hanging.
Na Ngavana Sakaja kwatwa kuvika mbewa nzama nthini wa mithenya 14 yukite.
And the message we must give to Governor Sakaja and others is that nobody in this republic is bigger than the Senate. It is a job of this committee to enforce accountability, to enforce transparency, and we shall also enforce availability.
Vilingi wa mauvoko wa mbungeni ya Senate ni Muisyoni Ilovi. Nita wa Benjamin Mwaka.